Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you how to take your boring straight hair to this amazing curls using only a flat iron. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So here is my hair. I pulled half of it up, half of it is down. So I'm going to be using this flat iron here. And I am excited. I also have a curling wand also, and you all are going to see how that turned out later on in the video. But this is the glove that's used with it, and this is my heat protectant from Millie Organics. So I had to make sure it was hot, sprayed on my heat protectant. Now I'm going over my hair. So I'm separating it in medium-sized chunks, not too small like you would if you were just wanting a straight look. I was talking, but yeah, now I'm going, and this is literally how I'm curling it. Just taking the flat iron and just curling it under, and it's making some really nice curls. So I'm a single lady. But you see, this is really kind of ticking me off. I put on my glove and tried to use the wand, and I don't know whether I didn't let it stay long enough or it was just my hair, but I wasn't feeling it. So I brought back that flat iron and I'm doing it over. I hate that I had to put more heat over that piece, but you live and you learn. But this is me curling more of my hair. Literally, you see how I just twist that flat iron like in a curling motion and pull the hair through as I'm moving it. See that? Wrapping it around and then rolling it out. So hard to explain, but literally that's all I'm doing. And I'm taking, like I said, I'm taking medium-sized chunks because I wanted a little more volume. I didn't want really like small curls. I want like medium-sized curls, like mainly at the bottom anyways, for a little more volume. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue doing the same process, and this video is kind of quick just because I'm really doing the same thing over and over again, and my hair was straight, so it didn't take long to do. So I'm really excited that it turned out good. Make sure you keep spraying your hair with that heat protectant because you do not want any heat damage. Believe me, I have been a victim of heat damage for many years, and I finally got my hair back on track a few years ago. So we don't want that to happen again. Okay, girl. And this would also look really pretty if you wrapped it right afterwards, and it'll give you a lot more volume than what I had. But I am actually going to use another method in order to preserve my curls, and you will see that in a few. So this is the final product, and to preserve your curls at night, I'm going to show you all how I like to do pin curls. So I'm going to show you how I do the pin curls here. I'm taking the hair and I'm twisting it upward. So you basically want to save that curl and then just twist it upward and then bobby pin it. So I'm going to be doing that, and it doesn't matter how big or small the chunks are. You want to kind of make sure that these sections are small enough for the bobby pin to actually hold it without falling out. And there you have it, nice pin curls, and you don't have to worry about putting any rollers or sleeping on any hard rollers, and you just have a nice flat surface. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every last one of you. Stay tuned for more videos, and I am having a huge giveaway here on my channel, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.